You like your tractor, Bubby? That was the first toy bought for you. Your daddy and I got you that before we even knew we were having a boy. The Lord led us to buy it. Pretty cool, huh? You'll love it. You'll really love it when you get a little bit older.
It's also before we knew we were coming to Jamestown.
Before we knew we were.
Area.
Yep. Our tractors are very much a part of the culture here. Look at him holding his legs up. Working on those abs, baby.
He is fidgety, isn't he?
He is a wiggle worm. I mean, just non-stop. Non-stop wiggles.
Maybe he'll be a sprinter. A fast white boy. It would go against our family history. Us white passages are not the fastest.
He probably really likes that, the red of the tractor, as well as the texture of the metal, the coolness of the metal.
Yeah.
It's good for his brain development. And there is Leo, the lion-hearted lamb, next to him, which happens to be his first stuffed animal. So he got his first toy and his first stuffed animal.
And there's also a beautiful crochet blanket.
Yeah.
Which is a magnificent creation.
Yes, I've gotten.
Laura Lozano.
I've posted that.
And Joe Albanese' wife.
I've posted that before on Facebook. Psh, not available anymore.
Mrs. Joe Albanese.
Yes, very heirloom quality.
It is really great.
Baby Afghan. All right, buddy. We're having a snow day today.
Also doing the
There's
video,
hardly any snow on the ground.
Also doing the video is his very first mother.
His very first mother.
His first mother. Hopefully his only mother.
Yes, it's his only mother.
I'm being silly.
You are being silly. Your daddy is silly.
Also his first father. And not too far.
What is the brand of this?
Not too far is his U.S. Army bear.
Yes, you know what I named this bear?
Show the world
This bear.
Careful, you're hitting him in the face with the bear.
Oh, sorry, baby. This bear, I have named him Colonel Barrington. The bear has to outrank the dad, so dad is a lieutenant colonel, so the bear is a colonel. So this is Colonel Barrington.
Okay.
So we have Colonel Barrington, Jonathan Glory Boy Bassett, and Leo the Lion-Hearted Lamb. The cutest boy in the world.